Today we will calculate the variations when a phone A is calling a phone B. So we have a phone A and we have a phone B. At the first view, this looks like a very simple scenario. One phone is calling another phone, and we are trying to calculate how many variations do we have when we are doing this kind of test cases. Let's calculate it step by step. First, we have the network technology. So we have A and B side, and A could be in 2G, the phone. It could be in 3G. It could be in 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi. So these are 5 combinations. So we have 5 combinations for A, we have 5 combinations for V. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 combinations. Next we have the dialing sequence. I am in Austria. I could dial it like +43 something, or I could dial 0043 something, or I could dial in local format, which is 0 something. Okay, so this is then again 25 already existing multiplied by 3 is 75 variations. Next, I can display my dialing number to the B party. So the calling party address can be displayed permanent. It can be hidden, or it can be hidden only for this call. 3 combinations for that. We had 75 already existing. Is 225 combinations. Now in the next variation we look at the possible combinations with the call length, because different durations may trigger different charging behavior. So we are testing a 1 second call length, 60 seconds, 5 minutes, 60 minutes, sometimes after 60 minutes in some countries the call is ended, and 61 minutes. So it's again 5 different combinations by the 225 we already have. So we are here with 1125 variations. Next we have the ringing duration. The called subscriber B can answer immediately, less than 15 minutes, 30 minutes, seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 61 seconds again. So we have again 4 combinations here. Yeah. So I had 4 multiplied by 1125 is 4500 combinations until now. But we have different also subscribers. So we have prepaid subscribers, we have postpaid subscribers, we have hybrid subscribers. So we have it for A and B, postpaid, prepaid, hybrid. 3 variations for A, 3 variations for B, 9 variations multiplied by 4500, and we are resulting by 40,500 test cases. Not bad until now. Okay. Next question is, who is ending the call? It can be phone A or it can be phone B. Sometimes this is important because charging can depend on who is ending the call. So again we have 2 combinations multiplied by 40,500 is 81,000. We are getting better and better. Okay, but as you know, we have different phones also, mainly Android and iPhone. So an Android could call an Android, Android could call an iPhone, and vice versa. So we have 4 combinations of that multiplied with 81,000 is 324,000. Look at this number of tests that need to be done. This is the interesting part. At the beginning, it looks like one simple phone call. But when we are considering all different parameters, we end up already close to 1 million. but still not done, because finally we have roaming. So you can be roaming, you can be national, and the combination of that, it's again 4 combinations. 324,000 multiplied by 4 is 1,269,000. Unbelievable! So have fun with this calculation and let me know what your conclusion is. Enjoy your testing, guys! Bye!